my next lesson is third. In your North Indian music, third is the important topics. Third is a framework of 7 consecutive notes out of the 12 notes of the octave from which ragas are accepted or evolved. The third has been termed as the Janak or father of the ragas. Every rag has to evolve from a third, which is also called ML. If we know that the raga belongs to a particular third, there are basically 10 thirds in our North Indian music laid down by Pandit V.N. Bhatkande. Practically हम लोग देखना how to create a third. We know here is 12 notes in our North Indian music. Here is Sa, Komol Re, Shudh Re, Komol Ga, Shudh Ga, Ma, Tibra Ma, Pa, Komol Dha, Shudh Dha, Komol Ni, Shudh Ni. ये जो हमारे पास जो स्ट्रक्चर है, जो 12 नोट्स है, 12 नोट्स से 7 नोट्स हम लोग चूज करूंगा और एक एक 7 नोट्स से ही एक एक थर्ड तैयार हो जाएगा. तो हियर इज हम लोग काफी इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज करना. सा टू नी. हियर इज सा टू नी. Here is 12 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. तो एक एक हम लोग थर्ड बनाना. At first, all the notes are शुद्ध, शुद्ध. सा, रे, गा, मा, पा, धा, नी. All the notes are शुद्ध. We call, or we can say, this is third bilaval. All the notes are used in Sudh form. Second third is Bhairav. In this third, Re and Dha notes are flat or Komol. Rest of the notes are Sudh. Sa, Re. In case of bilaval we हम लोग यूज किया था शुद्ध रे, बट नाउ वी आर यूजिंग कोमल रे. सा, रे, गा, मा, पा, धा, नी, सा. This is third Bhairav. Third Kafi. In this third, Ga and Ni are flat. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. हम लोग बिलावल राग में और थर्ड में हम लोग ऐसे से स्वर यूज किया था. बट अभी हम इन केस ऑफ काफी वी आर यूजिंग गा इज कोमल. चेंज करते हैं. दिस इज गा शुद्ध गा, कोमल गा. शुद्ध नहीं, कोमल नहीं. सा, रे, गा, मा, पा, धा, नी, सा. This is Kafi. Third Bhairavi. In this third, Re, Ga, Dha, Ni are flat. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. This is third Bhairavi. Next third is Kalyan. In this third, only Ma is Tibra. sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. This is third Kalyan. Only ma is Tibra. This is Shuddha ma. Now in case third Kalyan we are using Tibra ma. Next third is Purvi. In this third, Re and Dha is flat, Ma is Tibra. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. This is third Purvi. Marwa third. In this third, Re is flat and Ma is Tibra. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Only Re is flat, Ma is Tibra. This is the name of this third is Marwa. Next third is Todi. In this third, Re ga Dha is flat and Ma is Tibra. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Re ga Dha is flat, Ma is Tibra. Again. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Next third is Khamaj. In this third, only Ni is flat. All the rest of the notes are Shuddha. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Only Ni is changed. This is Shuddha Ni, this is Komal Ni. In this third, in Khamaj third, only Ni is flat. Next third is Asavadi. In this third, Ga, Dha, Ni are flat. Rest of the notes are Shuddha. Ga, Dha, Ni are flat. Rest of the notes are Shuddha. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. This is third Asavadi. Here is 10 thirds. नॉर्थ इंडियन म्यूजिक में 10 थॉट्स है. अगर हम लोग एक 10 थॉट्स याद करूंगा तो राग गाना बहुत इजी हो जाएगा. इवन एक एक राग क्रिएट करना भी बहुत इजी हो जाएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आज का लेसन अब मैं समाप्त करते हूँ. You will practice every day half an hour. I am sending the notes. Write this note in your notebook and daily practice with your instrument at home. Thank you and have a nice day.